everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and this video is going to be about what is Threads on Instagram. So Threads is basically a new app. It's not a feature in Instagram. It's totally a new app created by Instagram itself and is connected with Instagram. So what you're going to do is let me show you. If you go to your Play Store, and you can see I have searched Threads on an Instagram app. If you can simply go ahead and install this app, and if you tap on this open, you will be able to get logged in with your Instagram account, which it will offer you automatically. Like, would you like to log in with your account, or you can switch account, which can also be you have to have an Instagram account for that purpose. Once you are logged in there, you will be able to follow a trend, including hashtags, including what's happening in the world, like in the way of, you can see even in the feed is different from the Instagram, and it's basically kind of seems like a Twitter, where you can go ahead and follow a particular trend or hashtags like that. You can create your own threads, you can create your own hashtags over here. If you go to this pencil icon with the box, you can go ahead, create your own threads and post it. So yeah, this is what Threads of Instagram is, and this is how it works. If you got more particular questions regarding any of the features for the Threads app, do let us know in the comments. We'll make sure to let you know what it is. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.